Okay, demolition has begun, so let's check out what's happened. What's new? Oh, hi! Look who's here. Okay, so that used to be our front hall closet. Now you can see all the way to the kitchen.
Dining room!
Dining room.
Don't want to dine on it.
And kitchen. Well, the cabinetry is gone, and you can just see the bare walls. That's where the stove used to be. Oh my gosh. And you can see into the living room now too. There'll be an archway there connecting the living room to the kitchen. Let's peek in there. See what it looks like from this side. There we go. That wall will be gone. Well, it'll be different anyway. There'll be shelving there. And there is the other view of the kitchen. Quickly go upstairs to see what the other bedrooms look like. Sarah's old room. It's going to be made bigger. Emma's old room. Goodbye wall. And everything is still as is. Bathroom, master bedroom, the view back downstairs. So changes are happening. It's pretty exciting.